Meaning of dimly.
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 Dimly. Dimly is an adverb that describes a situation where something is only partially or faintly visible. It suggests that the environment or lighting is not bright enough to illuminate the object, creating a murky or shadowy image. In some cases, it can also imply a lack of clarity or understanding, such as when something is dimly remembered or dimly understood. Overall, dimly conveys a sense of ambiguity or obscurity, requiring the observer to strain their eyes or attention to perceive what is before them.